In the US, there's about 6 different approved clinical indications of CAR T cells for cancer, but they're all blood cancer. And about 90% of cancer is so-called solid cancer, and that's the big question. Can that work? Can it work in the common tumors like brain cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer? And the answer is, in animals, it works. So what we have now is the challenge of combining therapies to, it's much more difficult in solid cancers than in the blood cancers. Solid cancers tend to make a barrier. In comparison to a castle with a moat, where the moat would prevent the invaders from getting into where the castle is. Many of the solid cancers have a moat around it, which prevents our T cells from getting into the cancer. And so there's a number of strategies. We have one that's actually in progress, a trial that just began. We're giving an oncolytic virus made here in Barcelona by Ramon Alemany and his collaborators, and we give that. That's a virus that infects the cancer. Our first patient's been treated. She has ovarian cancer. So we give the virus first to break down the moat, and then we give the CAR T cells, and they have a better chance of getting into the cancer. So that's one way we think we can make these cell therapies work for the solid cancers, is combining other modalities like oncolytic viruses and CAR T cells.